background color of this one, margin of 0. Hmm. What are the ways I can do? Border top, bottom. I can do this by before after using. And this one, let's do this one before after. I am not having any idea right. Background of width of 200 pixel, height of 100, display of grade, place item, center. I have to increase the width to 20 is perfect, and height I have to decrease. Or I can add a div inside of it, right? B, and this one is position of relatives, and for B, position of absolute width of 30, height of 30, background of red to see for now, 50, maybe 60, 70, 80, 90, 220, right? So that's mean 60 would be enough, and height 50, 40, 80, 70, left 70, 80, and give this color, and it's done. And A after before. Content of this one, position of absolute, width of 40, height of 40, background of red to see for now, border radius of 50%, left how much, 80, oh, 70, overflow village, minus 10, 20. Perfect. Color this one. And after bottom minus 20, 40, 50, 60, 60. It's mean that left to the same. This one goes to here. Let's remove the extra thing. And hit submit. How much time? 100% match we can see, and time is 7 minutes. Thanks for watching.